Hi guys, welcome back to our channel Gaming Basics. In today's video, I will be teaching you guys how to collect the gifts from your Slotomania game. So at first, just open your phone, and as you open your phone, open the Slotomania game from wherever it is located. And as you open your game, all you have to do is at first just stay at this home screen and look at the bottom middle for that gifts option, and as you see it, just click out there at first. And as you click it, you can see at the first option collect, but as you guys can see, I don't have any gifts to collect. I can't collect it, but if you guys have gifts you can collect, it will be displayed right here in this screen. So all you have to do is just click on the option collect, and as you collect it, the gifts are in your account. So guys, that's how you collect the gifts on your Slotomania game. If you find our video helpful, please leave a like and please do not forget to subscribe our channel. Also hit the bell icon to get updates with our latest videos, and drop a comment for reviews and more content like this. I will see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.